This is the provisional national winner of Bourges, category Old Birds. Provisional, since we're still waiting for the official confirmation and the official result, which can take maybe 1 or 2 days. The winner was raised by Olivier Poussart of Volet Chimay. Pigeon is bred by Michel Bommeret. This is a hen of 2020, which is a middle-sized hen. The father is strain Jespers van der Wegen, their best breeding couple, paired up to De Vroe van Gaver, and the mother is pure Gabi van den Abela, also through Annick Goutijn. This is bred by Michel Bommeret. Congratulations to Olivier Poussart by winning 2 first nationals today on the first national race of Bourges.